Ever wondered how electric skateboard brakes work and how to choose the best one for you? Well, it's not just about stopping power. There's a lot more to consider when you're choosing an electric skateboard and its brakes. Firstly, let's talk about the types of brakes. Electric skateboards usually come with one of three types of brakes: mechanical, regenerative, or hybrid. Each has its own pros and cons. Mechanical brakes are reliable and easy to use, but they can wear out over time. Regenerative brakes, on the other hand, can recharge your battery as you brake, but they may not be as strong. Hybrid brakes combine the best of both worlds. Next, consider where you'll be using your skateboard. If you're going to be riding in hilly areas, you may want stronger brakes. If you're planning on cruising around flat city streets, then normal brakes should suffice. Your personal preferences also matter. Some people prefer the feel of mechanical brakes, while others prefer the efficiency of regenerative or hybrid brakes. So, consider what you like and what suits you best when picking your electric skateboard. Think about your budget when you pick your skateboard. Some skateboards with fancy brakes can cost more, so it's important to find the right balance between what you can spend and the features you want in your skateboard. If you plan to carry your skateboard or use it for commuting, the weight and portability of the board should be a factor. Heavier boards may be more stable, but lighter ones are easier to carry. Now let's talk about safety. Here are some tips to stay safe while using the brakes on your electric skateboard. Practice using your brakes at slower speeds. Don't slam on the brakes at high speeds, instead, gently press them to slow down safely. Keep an eye on the road ahead, especially if you're going downhill. And always keep your distance from cars and people, as brakes may take a moment to engage. In conclusion, when choosing the right electric skateboard, consider the type of brakes, where you'll ride, your preferences, your budget, and how easy it is to carry. Electric skateboards are a fun way to get around, and with the right board and brakes, you can speed through streets, tackle hills, and trust that you can stop when needed. Remember, it's all about having a good time while staying safe, making your journey and destination equally enjoyable. Now go forth and ride with confidence.